Hey there! So if you have a pair of AirPods for A and C and now you want to connect it with your Apple Watch and listen to music directly from your watch on Spotify, any other music, Apple Music without using your iPhone, I'll show you how to use your AirPods with any Apple Watch. To pair them together, first you need to take your AirPods into pairing mode. Now just open the lid, make sure the buds are inside the case, and double tap under the LED. It'll start blinking white LED, it means it's on pairing mode. Now grab your Apple Watch, press on the crown, and open up the app screen. From there, straight go to Settings, scroll down for Bluetooth. If your AirPods 4 is in pairing mode, the name will pop up instantly. Just tap and pair them together. Now let's go ahead and play anything that you like. Especially if you're on Apple Music, you might need to tap on the AirPlay icon to switch it to your AirPods, that's all. And then you can listen to any music using your AirPods 4 and C on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.